what's up guys? Welcome to Galbi's kitchen. Today I'm going to make kimchi-jjigae.
Kimchi-jjigae is a stew-like Korean dish.
Let's get started.
Slice quarter onions into strips. Then cut one green onion into bite size. Cut 250 grams of tofu into cubes. Cut 1.5 cups of kimchi into bite size. Put 200 grams of pork into preheated pot. When the pork is halfway through cooked, add kimchi into the pot. Stir them frequently so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Add half tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Pour half cup of juice from the kimchi. Add 2 more cups of water. And put onions and green onions. Leave some green onions for the garnishment. If you wanna make it spicier, add gochugaru, the Korean chili powder. Add tofu into the pot. Boil it about 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat. Sprinkle the rest of the green onions for the garnishment. Turn off the heat and transfer it into a bowl.
Right, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.